guys, it's Jessie. So today I'm going to be playing a game called Royal High School Beta. I have played this before. So yeah. So right now I'm in my dorm sleeping, and I'm gonna wake up to go to breakfast. And the school dance has been school, blah, 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 whatever. So right now I have my toothbrush on me, which I do not need. And yeah, so it's basically a very cool roleplay game where you can get like wings. It's like in royal. Hi. Wake up! I don't expect to see your pajamas. Well, ooh, it's almost breakfast, so I'm sleeping right now, and I'm just gonna chill and see if I need to do any homework. Why am I brushing my teeth? So now I'm just gonna chill and see if I need to do any homework. So I don't need to do any homework, and I'm just gonna be ready before it's too late. So I already have my crown on, which you do get, and the link for this will be down in the description down below. And yeah, so I'm just gonna change into my school clothes because I'm not wearing, because the message just says, I do not expect to be seeing you in your PJs, pajamas, whatever. So I'm just gonna wear my casual clothes. So there's some boys ones, some girls one, girl one. Whoa, what's happening? Reset clothing. Whoa, no, I don't want to wear mine no more. Oh, I really like that. I want to find a nice, cute top. So there's no tops, so I'm just going to go to powerful. I'm going to find a top, any top. No, okay, I really don't like what I'm doing, so I'm just going to reset my clothes, and I'm going to wear these. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to teleport like this. So I'm going to breakfast. So I'm at breakfast, and I actually look alright if you think about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a meal. Gonna have some pink cereal. Pink cereal or rainbow. I'm gonna get pink, even though it's not my favorite color. And it says your order is being made. So I'm gonna wait here. Ooh, look at all the other breakfasts. So we're gonna wait. So as you can see, I can see my pink cereal. I'm just gonna grab that. And I'm gonna go find a table to sit on. And I'm just gonna introduce myself to some people. Hey, wanna be friends? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't even sit down, brilliant. So yeah, I'm gonna change, but I'm gonna eat. So now that I'm done, yum, that was amazing. I'm just gonna change my clothes. Top. Yes, I finally changed. I think I'm gonna wear cute little schooly uniform kind of stuff. Not schooly, no, I'm gonna wear the other one. This one. I haven't worn this one ever, but I don't really like it that much. I'm gonna wear this maybe? No, this. This. So I'm gonna be wearing this. I really like the choker. And I got some Adidas or Adidas Superstars, some nice denim shorts, nice flowy top, a choker, black choker, and like little stuff. I got my makeup done, and I'm gonna see the hairstyles, see if I can get anything else, because I like this hairstyle, but there might be something new that I might like better than this. Let's see this one. Ooh. I use brown because my hair is brown. Well, okay, that's way too flowy for me. Let's see this one. I think I'm gonna do this for today. And yeah, so swimming class is starting, so I'm gonna attend class. Whew. I'm not that good at swimming, so yeah. So if you don't know, guys, for this little role play, it's basically like a fun little game where for the classes you do mini games kind of, and you have dorms and things, and it tells you what to do. So jump over the rotating obstacle. Now I'm really bad at this. That does not count at all. I'm gonna get an F, guys. I am actually gonna get an F. It tells you want to jump. It doesn't, but so you just want to jump over the rotating stuff. I just fell down like about 3 times. But as you can see, I'm pretty good at this, but it kept tripping me over because I fell down at the start. So you need to do this for. Yeah, I'm gonna get F. I'm really bad at this. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so I got a B- because I fell down 4 times. But I done okay. So I'm gonna fly to the entrance. What? Boy, yes. So I already have my done. And I'm just gonna explore. So this is the ladies' room. I haven't brushed my teeth, so I am gonna brush my teeth in the ladies' room. I was so busy. This is not my my real routine, by the way. I'm gonna go to the toilet while I brush my teeth. So computer class is starting, and I'm gonna attend that. So I always take this violet one, right? No, this one right here. And I still have the toothbrush. Oh my gosh. Okay. Book check. So you basically need to write what it pops up at the top. I going to my dorm for just got it, I think. Oh no, gosh. My friend is stuck in the detention in the done. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. We are creating a new friend club. Okay, so I wrote that down for once. Gonna do a capital letter. My friends and I are in a band. I attend Royal High at the castle. got a B plus. Scored only 2 points. Okay, guys. So you will need your chemistry book for the next class. Have 5 minutes, guys. Cause I'm quickly gonna. Okay, no mind. I'm just gonna drop down. Oh, shoot. Well, I really like her hair. I'm gonna try and put that hair, man. I really like her hair. So guys, I think I changed my hair. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn. I was about to put B plus, but too late. Put a C. This chemistry class I'm the worst at. Mix your chemicals by pressing the buttons in the double in order to show the top. I already know how to be the fastest. I think I lost. Whoa, I'm actually doing good at this for once. Oh, I lost. Yeah, I lost. So guys, I'll be right back after this is done. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Hopefully you like this video. I was about to say that it was really short because time went past like, whoo! And guys, if you do not know, it's 9 o'clock in the night, at night. But yeah, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up. And I really need to work on making an outro. So yeah. Hopefully, oh yeah, thank you for 18 views on the how to do the deleted glitch on MSP. And I'm just gonna do this. Hey guys, comment down what you want me to do next. Comment down below because like I can run out of ideas really easily. So yeah, make sure to comment down below what you want me to do in my next video, what you want me to do in the future, what you want me to do soon. And yeah. So that's it for today's video. And all you need to do, go onto one of my videos, such this video. Click that subscribe button, and if you want a shout out, you just put hashtag notification squad, subby squad, or hashtag subscribe, like this. So you can do any one of those. And yeah, bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye, I love you guys so much, and yeah.